Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can search text messages on your iPhone very easily. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put your likes and write your comments after watching the video. So, let us get started with you. First, we're going to open the messaging app. And next, in order to search for messages, if you have a window like this, then you'll need to swipe down in order for you to have a search box. I can show you from the very beginning. When you go into a post, it's not there. Then you reach down, it comes up right away. So in this search box, we click. And here we need to type in the word that we want to be found. The word that was, for example, in the post that we're looking for. And so I wrote the word, and now you can see that there are posts that have that word highlighted in black text. And in order to go, for example, to a specific correspondence, if you see a message that you need, you just click near it. And in this way, you are immediately thrown to the message in full, as well as to the correspondence in which this message is visible. That's how you can search text messages on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes, write your comments, and see you later, friends.